Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to manage active sessions and devices in Indeed. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type Indeed.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now let's simply focus on the topic at hand, how to manage active device sessions. Let's simply go to this profile icon right here next to the notification bell. Simply click on it. Well, there are profile settings, everything. Let's simply click on the settings button right here. This is the settings page. Initially, you'll be in account settings. Just below is communications. And from there, device management. Well, as you can see, there are two devices that I have signed in from. In case you don't know which device you signed in, there's an option right here next to actions that says sign out. If you click on it, your account will be signed out from that device. Now let me just click on sign out. It's gonna ask for my confirmation. Let's simply click on sign out once again, and there you go. We have successfully signed out from the other device. Well guys, it's as easy as that. That's how you manage your active devices and sessions in Indeed. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.